What up, Battle? Old 64 here. Thanks for clicking on my YouTube channel again. Today, we're going to go ahead and install the front shocks on my 71 Oldsmobile 98. Let's get to it and hit up the shop. So here's the front passenger side rotor, brake pads, the bearings behind here. You can probably see I haven't done much work in the 10 years I've owned it. I made sure that the brake pads were in good condition, but it needs ball joints. It needs control arm bushings. Okay. I hit it up with some penetrant. Got that guy out. Got this guy out. So I got the two bottom ones out. There's one on the top. So let me set up the camera and I'll see you up top. So this is the special tool you need to take the top bolt off the shock tower. In the 1971 Oldsmobile Factory Service Manual on page 3-11, it calls it BT6515. You can get it at your local auto parts store. It holds the exterior nuts, and then this fits over the top of the shock tower. Since I'm not going to reuse the shocks, I can rotate the shock tower shaft and hold the nut steady. Almost there, hanging on by a few threads. There's the nut. There's the rubber washer, the rubber grommet. Got it out. Let's go for a close-up. There's the old shock and the new shock. Like I said, page 3-11 in the Oldsmobile Factory Service Manual tells you how to remove and install these shocks. So we'll go ahead and get the new one in. There we go, Battle. I moved the light. So this time, I don't want to rotate the shaft of the shock. Make sure. Yep. 2% rule, old 64. Alright, I got that started. So I'm going to go underneath and get the two bolts started, and then we'll come back up here. So Battle, I've been battling with these two bottom bolts for about 20 minutes. You think something's going to be easy, and then you just got to hold your tongue right. I think this front one is cross-threaded, so there's a central trimmer for you. All right. Take it out completely, old 64. All right. Snug up the one that's in there. Guten tight. There we go. Now it's not cross-threaded. All right, we torqued the bottom ones to 240 inch-pounds or 20 foot-pounds. Let's torque the top one to 10 foot-pounds or 120 inch-pounds. Never seen that before. It was a pressed tin nut on top of the steel one. So one step down, there's the nut. I apologize for the lousy shot. Now let's go beneath and get the two bolts and then replace it. Now I sprayed these with penetrating oil the other day. Underneath here I can see those headers I put on my 71, and I spent big money on them for the ceramic coated ones, and they're dirty as hell. This is the original engine. I had one rebuilt. I've considered putting it on a run stand and selling it, but I got an engine, had it rebuilt, put it in, and then I was driving it around for a while and I thought I would sell it, so I put the original engine back in, and I still own it, so we'll see. There we go. 2 bolts. And there's the shock. I'll get a good shot of it and then we'll put the new one in. There's the old shock on the right and the new shock on the left. You can see that the older shocks are a little bit more beefy. Of course, the new ones are made overseas. And you can see that the old one says that it's a lifetime guarantee. If I had bought it, you best assured that I'd still have the receipt. I keep all the receipts for the work I do for my Oldsmobiles in my truck. But let's go ahead and get it installed. I don't know if I have the gusto to get these in this morning at 4:40, 4:50. I got 40 minutes. Definitely not easy battle. If you know of a better way to install these, I thought, well, maybe I could use a floor jack underneath them. I don't know. Maybe this is just me being stupid and kidding myself. All right, I'm gonna get my torque wrench, 20 foot-pounds, 240 inch-pounds. All right, got the bottom ones on there. Let's go up top and get it tightened. Now, you want to hold the center shaft still while you righty-tighty the nut. Can you see it down there, Battle? Looks like we're getting it tighter. Okay. Sorry about the lousy camera angles. Mission accomplished, Battle. Well, thanks for joining me. So, Battle, I hope you liked that video. Make sure that you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below so I know what you think. See you next time, Battle.